Here we are at Hollybourne Cottage on Jekyll Island, Georgia. Just thought I'd make a quick video of this because stopping by, my grandfather happens to be working on this. He's not here, but he's part of the restoration of this place. Last time I was here, the lights were not on. I don't know if they just recently started getting electricity runs at this place or not. I'm not sure. Get up these stairs without falling and dying. I don't want that to happen. I just happened to be biking around here. Bridge Builder's Cottage at Hollybourne. But yeah, they're fixing this place up. This is like, for a while, this was like the place where people kept going to those places over there. I forgot what that place is called. I might put that into the description. But this is the place where everyone didn't go. I mean, it wasn't in as great condition as the other ones. I remember when they put that thing up. And I'm assuming that huge shed over there, that garage, is a part of Hollybourne. I'm assuming. But yeah, they got lights in this place now. I don't know how long they've had lights, but this place is a major work in progress right now. So yeah, just thought I'd show here. I'm not gonna look inside there because I think there's people in there. And not everyone wants to be on camera. There's some people that are fine with it and others that are not, and I respect their opinion. Front porch. Sometimes I have this place decorated with Christmas decorations. I've looked inside here before. It's been a while since I've been here. Here's the basement down there. Door. Oh, this place is, let's see. I wonder what they're doing there. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, this is a wheelchair thing. That's kind of interesting. That wasn't there the last time I was here. Yeah, pretty magnificent place. Eventually it might look as good as the other cottages around here. Let's look at the back here. I don't know what that place over there is. Can't remember. And then there, that place is, let's see here. Oh, I can't tell. See if I can go over here. And I know this place isn't the subject of the video, but I can't see. The phone that I'm using does not have the best focus option on it. Villa Mariana Villa, Villa, not sure what that is. But yeah, here's a good look of Hollybourne over here. Still looks pretty good. It's just a bit decrepit in some areas, but yeah. Crane Cottage is over there. I don't know if this is new or not. This has probably been there for a while. I'll post in the description what that place is called. I could just find out what that is on Google Maps. That's always very handy. But here's a good look at the, I'm guessing either the front or the side. I'm not sure. I'm guessing probably the front because of the grand front staircase they have here. And I have seen pictures of that place inside, too. It looks pretty, it looks pretty grand, but decrepit. I mean, at least that's what it looked like when, like a couple of years ago or something. But yeah, that's Hollybourne. And there's a lot of other interesting places on Jekyll Island. Funny how they call them cottages when they're practically mansions. But yeah, thanks for watching.